And let's talk some biofilm. What do you say?
I love it.
If you're getting patients in the door and you're collecting money, what good is that if we're making them sick and back?
The inspectors are coming into their offices and they're saying, hey, show me your dental unit waterline plan. Show me your testing logs.
Wow. And that's when the color rushes from faces.
That's when you're like, ooh, I'm sweating bullets right now because I don't have that stuff.
How often are you testing your water? And they'll say, why do I need to test it?
Wow.
I started testing the toilet water of the offices I was in
Okay.
and comparing it to the test of the water
Oh my
lines.
gosh.
And I passed every single time for the toilet water and not the water lines.
Oh, wow. We need that little bit of confidence in ourselves to take on this big responsibility.
Absolutely. And that's where your education comes in,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Because you can't be confident about something you don't know. That's why it's such a vital part of the whole process.
And so we've developed a system of products that work for the customer, not the other way around.
Is this a company? Is this the technology that we want to use?
Yeah.
You need to do your homework. You need to find out what's best for you.
There's 18 tabs open in our head at all times.
Oh, yeah.
And we're trying to do, the schedule is a revolving door, and this patient canceled, and we put this one in, we're moving this one over from hygiene. We need things that are going to be laid out, fast, easy, done, right?
Yeah, it's okay to have a failure.
okay.
It's okay, but it's not okay for
probably
it to
will
keep
happen.
going, right? I mean,
Correct.
that's the key.
As much as I love that people are like, I do it, I promise.
Yeah, we need to know.
Documentation is important.
Yes.
You can have a great system. You can have great training for using that system. But how do you know if it's working?
Yeah.
Testing is like the number one thing we need to do.
You never want your practice to be the one in the news because of ...
That is the thing that pops up at the top of the
true.
Google search.
You're exactly right.
That, how do you come back from that?
You're going to suffer by not doing it properly. Far outweigh it's going to cost you doing it properly.
Absolutely.
It's sometimes out of sight, out of mind in the operatory. Having the dental assistant be a champion for
Yeah.
water safety really is the way
And
to
be a
go.
champion for their patients as well.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.